away and left me. I was so lonely, praying for you only, my love. Why should I keep loving you when I know that you're not true? And why should I call your name when you're the blame for making me blue?
Gato ha. Sugoi. Funga fonua Hello say no longer na vanua
Justice. Sorry doesn't do justice. Sorry doesn't do justice.
Yes, he doesn't do justice.
It doesn't do justice.
Aho matabaka Ilhanu maikia hai Ufani
Yummy one. Welcome everyone into this house. This is our flavor now. You're gonna love this. Try one of these. You're gonna love
Yeah,
it.
it's
Yummy.
Sapina Kalana.
Pina colada.
Southern style. Southern style.
This is bula bula.
Bula bula. It's a bula bula. Bula bula. They won't allow me to do this.
we didn't do one, that's the way. Yeah.
That's what I was trying to tell them I could do. No, but that was.
How far to?
But I said, kick me out of my house.
Sad. You should have been sad first day.
No, because
You almost made her cry.
if he's like, he's gonna put it on. That's the reaction I didn't get.
You weren't hoping for this one though, eh? We weren't calling next one again, eh?
Cuts me off.
Yeah,
Bunga Fonua.
The last time we next night. You came to put me in my room. Only the last time I took was in Wellington. Mountain Wellington. I'm calling this old house. Why can't we call this old house in Mountain Wellington? Next to seaside.
That's all.
Oh,
Yeah.
How far to?
Really?
yeah, man.
Oh, yeah.
That was the last time, but ever since that happened when I took her to her house, she be acting like a real weird. Oh man, I fucking took her. She was like, hey, walk right. Cringe. And like, are you trying to do these things in front of my fucking home? And he was just
Always be mine.
and he pressed me off even more. Hey, it's the case thing, right? The fucking house.
Please, Musa.
It's the case.
Musa, Musa.
Always gotta like bring up a problem.
Man.
We saw him make a fuck up. Como que vai dar?
Man.
Green light code.
Que ave ao de mata. O amor é a roupa do todo. Olha como assim que tu a faz. Foi o tafo, o tafo. Como assim que me amo.
Diana. Aí eu não sabia fingir, fingir foi fácil. Diana. Mas por que eu fiz PR com o hino PR é fácil? Oh. Mana tu iho pakananiwi. Leiana, kita fofona, mamatay minha sola, paborita e que nova. Leiana, kita fofona. Dona
funny little clip.
Make sure she can see me. Like, don't involve me. Or nigga.
What are you gonna block you for?
Mary, look like a shepherd. Yangi mai mei hesante. Mary, look like a shepherd. Ai oh, tu felenite.
She reminds me of
I know where he lives.
yeah, they have no choice but to like you know her, I was telling you she is she is she reminds me of like Amy will never spit on Kobe's face. Kobe's not that type of
Ladies and gentlemen,
yeah, but this is some of the windows. Yeah. And now I can see you having that good time, and the TikTok is still up ahead. And then it's jump in one way, because they're going to get a vote. Next one, send me up. He just told you what's up. Come there. Yeah. But you get this, so you must be something sure. Hey, like, so if you felt that go together, you must be something fucking sure. Not kept the whole thing, he kept it inside like a Wait.
On my way, I'm waiting for my ride. Hold on, I'm coming. Coming, bro. Straight up, I'm coming.
On way.
On way. Yeah, that's what we've been up to.
Wait, Alisa.
Yeah, this is mine.
Some badass shades. I love the shades. Cause your friend. Oh, Alusa.
No, this is my dad's son. Me, I'll.
Your dad.
Your dad.
Don't beg what to offer on the half of Calavera. Hoje ele tá o ewa. Eu sei que eu faço a toria. Olha o eita a rinde olha o me fanga e via. Don't beg alu hai pangige. So ka imai ko siwete. Sa no dia to ko lau gele. Calavera, Calavera,
Yeah.
so no bed que no offer a Calavera.
Really, really.
Other way que tauna, if he cry, find a guy, may ho katoa.
What do you need me other than that?
Other mouth, my shit, my name, tonga. Maybe like my conga. Oh, sangalang alea.
Right now.
Yeah, last night I was having myself, fuck, I'm mad, that's me, I'm gonna get a few, because on my day off, I did nothing.
You did last week. Last week.
Oh, thing.
Last week
No,
you did
what's
nothing.
it?
Man, can't go on.
Yeah, but did you do anything last week?
What?
You drink every week.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you take a day off every week?
No, not like this.
What? Am I sangalang alea?
Yeah, I took a day off, that's the only time I did it. No, not like this. This was intentional, like this was me. I was gonna get around. Nah. Hey, put it in. Other than that,
Mamma mia, tua Mamma mia,
please, come in, please. Come here, this motherfucker. You know I hit you. I still hit you. Ati, they told me that they got pulled over. Them, him and stupid turtle.
Where?
I was pissed off. I started punching Musa.
Where is that?
They lied to me and said they got pulled over from the car.
Bakit ko locked up, man?
Look at that.
Huh?
Yeah. And then I punched the slide in there. Oh, I was mad until I was so mad. Because they're always lying to me.
You know,
I remember the day.
if you play that,
Nah, I'm playing it. I'm gonna play it upstairs with it.
it's not easy
I don't need your help.
because
I don't need your help, Michael. Kurt. Alisa.
are you sure you want to do that with?
Yeah. Bring it on. What's good you?
Pass it off.
110%.
I love you so much.
Nah,
I really
don't
do.
care. I don't care. You
What you mean? Oh yeah. Wait. No, you don't do that. You can let us. Oh. It's not easy.
I remember the day.
Yes.
I was just. You know what I did? And Tongan, you call it a whakarangalea.
I don't get. I don't get. Because you're a liar.
Yeah, please.
You're a liar.
Are you spelling money? The day I called Vi on the telephone. I told her Vi, I'm getting married. I could hear her voice on the other side of the telephone. She was smiling. She makes me a question that I told the answer. She said, Lusa, did you take time to know her? I told her bye. She is the best. But today hurts me so to go back to advice and say bye. I'm getting divorced. Oh, I'm getting divorced. Mike.
Hi guys, wait, I'm seriously, I lost light. Am I praying? Wait, and I'm gonna do another one, and then for real, I'm gonna be like the last one.
Hi, Shia. Pepe hake, ofatu.
Alfatu. Feve hake fungafonua. Ewa nusila.
Now,
Mauuha. Si matangi tonga. Mana tua oto onga. Ahine ofofonga. Tusino tomai fakanonga.
you name a song, man. Could you play my song?
No.
For me to sing it. Yeah, I'll unlock it.
Now then sing, please.
Hey.
Efi afi the vanu tua ho o mali mali. Look at this. The piatu kia te koe toko taha. Te koe pe hoku o faanga. Oh, Mum! Do you know Sateki?
Mele. Remember Mele? Come here.
Is that Sateki with the gold teeth? Do you know do you know her son Bila? He always come here.
Oh, nah.
Puku Bila.
Maybe it's a different one.
Oh, I thought that was the Sateki outfit. Hosina, the dia I see okulota.
Mommy.
Yeah.
Mum, remember the song, Mum? When we used to clean the house? Remember when we used to clean the house, Mum? Remember the golden speaker, eh, Mum?
Yeah.
This is the song, eh? Is it? Or are you just... My team's losing. What song you used to play? Because my mom used to have the CDs. It was like right here. You know the stereos? The back in the day stereos?
Yeah.
This was like, what was the other song, Mom? The other Tongan song?
What other Tongan song?
Yeah, she knows.
Whoopie in a hay Whoopie in a hay
Lusa. Ai foi que não sabe. Você não que saía agora.
Sugar daddy, Hey, baby, Louie, what are you up to on Cartoon Cuz?
Aí é. Aí me diga, vai.
Good. What do you mean? This is money. Nah, wait, this is money. Without my permission.
I'll be there whenever you
I need
somebody who can love me at my worst.
Shall I say at
No,
DC?
I'm not perfect, but I hope you see my worth.
Hurry up.
How much, Steve?
Moai mamo ko ia pegu. Fe mau mai liku esi.
But wait, I swear the prayer. These all of us.
Ai mai mo liku esi.
Tastes like nice. Nah, it does. You wanna taste? Wanna some? It's not like not that long white things. You know? It's so good.
Ai ofa. Ana vai to.
And our babies all day. Young and the restless. Just look much fun.
Koro vai to be ko alu kita nek nanga.
Boy, prepare some to go swimming.
Lusa.
Yeah.
Come.
Yeah. You wanna try?
Come.
Bobby. Oh, cheese.
Io e o atu ia sia. Fe mau ke taia te simulata
Make my fry.
Huh?
Yeah.
There. There.
Honest before when I taste.
Oliver, ai fai di questi simulata.
Yeah, we tell
Yeah.
we have
Te liquid.
we have boy.
Simulata, cosa c'hai e misi?
Hi down.
Coena, sia.
Wait, então, this time.
Latano. Mai holoto.
Violet.
Kau tukua. Au na e mahino.
Hi, Sissy.
Isino.
Wait, on a Swift.
Sia,
One more.
foi vascani at peya makoe.
It's been alright.
Ta ahine hamaangatahi.
Featuring Mark
He ikirisitahi.
How's Kadiri?
Ofani.
Boring music, eh?
He's my auntie.
Ahine kanya kuloto.
I knew it would smell like much shit that That's strong. I've been keeping up with you. What do I have? And he's gone stupid from the last time I seen him. Oh yeah, I know it was embarrassing the last time I seen him. I was getting in trouble for my auntie. Not in trouble, more like a get a you know, like a thing. Yeah.
Can I change it up?
So
Wait.
oh, for children. Yeah, it was embarrassing.
Auna imagino. Que gustio. Oh, mambo isino.
Oh, you too, down. Thank you. Stay safe during this COVID lockdown, you know.
Ta ahine hamaangatahi. He ikirisitahi. Wasi aku ofani.
No, not Auntie Dells. No. That's the bird though. Iking of Kadoof. I'll see you in like 2 months. Oh, but monsieur.
Lucia.
We put it down for the dogo. We die to our motto.
Lucia, nasa
Let go for loco. There's a
Wait, hold on.
we go for the dogo. All over the world, still rolling with my dog.
Oh, I love your camera.
What's the song?
No, you gotta get it. No, you gotta do that too.
Oh, what's the song?
We die to our motto. We never let go of our logo.
Yeah, on my page. To the right. To the right. Homie, I need your answer. I need you to answer this. People. Fiorana. Hi, Luisa. Hi, Fel. Hi, Sia. Hi, Nora. Oh, malolo kia yo fatu. Kamu tolu kosote mo e fanau.
Mari! Yeah.
The Aine Toma. I better even bring it.
love for the locals. All around the world, still rolling with the locals.
Wait, check. Wait, I love your camera. So good. That makes my skin look so good.
Sorry about that.
Hi Luisa. So it's Luisa.
Hello, sir.
Hi Luisa.
That's how we became all around the world, still rolling with the locals.
Oh, I feel like a superstar with this phone. I feel like a superstar with this phone. Do it,
See, this is the colour.
Ma'amalahi pe moas.
This is the real colour.
Ma'amalahi pe moas. Ma'amalahi. It's not malahi.
Ma'alahi.
Ma'amalahi.
Ma'alahi.
See, it's simple. We're still rolling with the
This is
tacos.
the colour.
Yeah, I was telling the bro to taste it.
It's yummy.
Eh, taste that.
No, that was
Too much sugary.
Yeah, no. It didn't have any juice in it. See, that's my name.
Nah, but bro, you gotta taste this.
I told you.
Taste. Oh no,
Okay,
you're
happy
fine.
feet.
No, sure. Yeah,
What am I doing?
taste it.
Tasting test.
Yeah. That's the what? Bula
Ina
bula.
pula.
That's the bula bula. Nuts.
Oh, that's how white smells. That's how white tastes.
Yummy. Do we want to taste? Or want a glass?
Oh, even raspberry Coronas does wonders.
Yeah.
And
No,
a
we
little
do
bit of
on
vodka.
we do Heineken and 50.
We had 50 on Thursday. Yeah, 50 on Thursday.
It's high blood pressure. Wait,
Yeah,
huh?
no. It's for the blood pressure. Yeah,
To go
that's
up.
allowed. Yeah, to go out.
To get out.
Yeah. Just my tickets up there. Couple more rounds.
I remember. And you get this up. It's like not supposed to be funny,
Let's go, Lolo.
From that movement to me on the ground. To me on the ground. Yeah, me was on the ground. Me on the ground, right? And then we come throw my arm out pocket. Come on, fuck me up. What if I fucked up? Please, no.
Oi, rotofofopo. Unielolo.
Matapa, opala taisi.
And once on the side, like happy feet doing hot time.
Ay, viva dah. Eh,
Wait, I'm it's dirty. Holy.
Everyone's I'm you know, hanging up on the side.
Right over my head. Like looking down. Like hanging on. It's on the fire.
whatever.
Yeah, that's not me saying.
Funny, huh? Baby, like, what you just tell me and then all of this, like, what you didn't do?
You were right there. You're the one breaking up on the side.
Tamaiki fefime hela lo mangele meu helu anauto pero ki he maliki asione te vai kumoe boto oi hone teki si o gufale meu ongo I pel teu felangi aqui.
Wait, you know what? Car racing. You know who? You know race car spelled backwards? What is it then?
You just want to get added on?
This car.
Yay!
See,
Yeah,
I'm
well, he's got his license. He's not like that. See, you got your license. Where is it then?
oh, it's my face.
Oh, where's the
It's
best?
my face. Cole, where's my face, Cole?
I don't know, Cole.
Let's got my license today and I just show my license. My PC license, my full quiz license,
Wait, but
my beach
my
license.
babysitter's restricted. Last month. Bird, he's sitting on a restricted. And then now he has to wait, I think he has to wait 12 months, 18 months. 18 months to get his full bird. Yeah, 18 months to get his full because he's only young. Yeah, he only 15.
It's a joint one.
I took Kate gave him stuff like this.
I'm so proud of you.
Yeah, he got it last month. Or maybe 2 months ago.
I didn't even know that. I just thought you know.
Well, what's the
So
thing?
man, I'm just gonna miss remember like I'm so proud of you, mother.
So proud. Wait, everyone for his winners.
Luva é sinônimo a tamai e a hora de mai.
That was the winner. And then he got another box.
Meu te fenda me vem na ferme halaki. Tanto me aho ningele maya. Lato aqui eu não há. Hey, ofa.
3 weeks later, I was taking coffee.
Lato.
Oh yeah, I need to go visit you.
Maybe said, oh, maalah. Maalah ikaw atau fo.
18 plus card.
Be ahon nakele maya. Lato aqui eu não há. Aqui ai seu culoto. Hey, ofa. Kweto kilo enia ea. Kweta maloi ko kiatea. Baby go to baby bea.
Haloi loi aki I mai au. Hala nonga maalahi homo hiva. Ko hiva? Atu mau. Alua koe.
No, she doesn't eat one of
No, I don't need one from you. As much as I've been there, I do not really want one. What was the name you were saying? I don't even know his name.
Yo feel
What was the best view show? Were you there?
Te aho nekele mai Loto akio nonga. Nice voice. Thank you. Mama mo. Ilo enia ea. Kata ahine loiki atea. Kovemi ko pine fefea. Haloi loi aki I mai au. Tama loi ko kiatea. Pine fefea. Kaloi loi aki I mai au. O fimalie. Oh, Colonna Vailasi.
He doesn't smack a lot. Type it. You didn't even smack it. No.
You can.
If you show put your phone on, then you're gonna think.
They're not the
He ain't believe that. So I'm looking after thinking, yeah, this is my club.
No, he's the CJ's.
Look at that.
Yeah, and the DJ, you know how people
Is he doing this like this? Like this?
No, you fighting you and you. Why are you fighting? He's sick in his head. I'm not even lying to you. Why are you and you like fighting me? He's sick in his head. And then he's like, and
See, these are the reasons why you're gonna go to the car for a hot seat.
See?
It's just a hot seat. Get in the car.
Give me the car.
Don't you?
I don't even know who these are.
With the two work. She's like, oh, Rackle.
And my baby.
Corona.
Two number one singer. Oh, Rackle. That's all.
Coronavirus.
And all of those, man. So I know who's mad.
Type it.
You look for some guy see
K-O-L-O-N-A.
a century. It's not bad. Even there's some new.
V-A-I.
Oh yeah, jalapeno.
Yeah, I like it.
You supposed to be good with and I'll take it. That's my turn. My business turn.
Just stay up.
Type it. Type it. Yeah. K-O-L-O-N-A. V-A-I-L-A-S-I. No. No.
Yeah, you're right.
What's the circle?
Ah, he's going screaming or something.
So now what's the game here? With my hair. No. She's about to.
K-O-L-O-N-A.
Yo, with the passion thing on it.
I never knew.
Actually, not really that in my team.
coconut.
There's some dirty.
Drink.
Nah, no.
I like the juice. I like the coconut juice. Coconut juice and yeah, but he reckons not.
I spelled it.
And I said, what's the name of it? And he goes,
Who's this? Oh, yeah.
and I go, what's the name of your drink then?
Oh, you know these Gen Z babies got new teams.
Yeah, he just drinking like a passion fruit Malibu. And I've got the mix. And that's what it's called. Okay, I don't like Malibu, man. He goes, no, it's a passion fruit.
It's the pressure real one, yeah, it's over.
Yeah.
That one's alright, but not man.
No, I'm not coconut. Yeah.
It's disgusting. It's like disgusting.
It's dusty. Because it was us at Brady, and they didn't have anything great, and we got Canadian.
Nah, I can
And
find
the
it.
drinks Canadian and no
When?
Remember? And that's how we got Canadian. Canadian, you've been drinking that, it was only me. Remember me and you started drinking? Remember me and you went to go?
Oh, yes.
Yeah. And I got a Canadian, and you got a
We started straight away.
and something else. But I drank Canadian.
And we drink. As soon as we got a couple of drink.
We drank. Remember? What tree? Remember? Listen. Everybody was in this car. We did. No more. We're alone with my car. You sung us the no more. We sang in the car for them.
I remember how we drank Shinoe.
To get ourselves
Never bring
Never bring your legs.
And his universe. He's got a box so he can tell you, oh, yeah, you should wake it up. Yeah.
and then he'll message you and send you.
No, but you can ring Auntie Tree and go, oh, I'm broke.
Oh, I'm
Their number.
Oh, long time no heard.
Lolo Becky head.
Never
€2.
She's like,
I don't want to.
Break dance.
Somebody else for that because you know.
Koe o si ilepe koe balami Nea sio hifo ho telefoni Fai e text mo ui hani Tita ke peli ma fosi e fi Meni a i koe o ki i pesi Fukua ho o mio i O sio hifo ho telefoni Ya you're my wifey.
I'm still with you.
How about he sometimes Veo fa'o ho wala Veo tomo kukual Pake aluki hala Yon pagi no wa ho tawa E koe vale kaka Ono I mata
What time is
Sorry mo te paluia Mei me fika ana Itamasi IPCPC I can't find them mom.
You don't know no one. You don't know anyone. That's hey.
And she's like,
Jumping into the phone. That's the number. Normal of their name.
you're not going to mention. Did you mention your name?
Check her out. Oh, toxic. Chad. So every boy you stay like yourself, you just think about yourself, you know. They be mentioning your name.
I was like, you stay there, man.
You never? She's cool on her. She's upstairs.
Oh, yeah, go away.
Oyo we foi mafu O fa ya te au No mai ka fa no funa ya o Ya we foi lale Dali musie kole Whatever O mai ya Oyo we foi mafu O fa ya te au Ya we palatahisi
Maybe if you stand up every day, maybe all the rest of you stand up. I don't know. They came. She was like, babe,
Look at that out.
honey, we're going to meet up next month. This is for Tuesday. And I'm hoping next month we're going to meet up because we've got a job out there. We're going to tee up, okay? And I'll see you. Me and Yanti, me and Yanti will meet you. Sorry, I'm not
They were.
Oh, damn, man.
Ya we foi lole
Did you see Yanti?
Dali musie
Yeah, I'm
kole
like, I was like,
Yahweh foi mafu Ofa
she was they were doing the opening of what's that? what is it?
Yes.
What is it? The movie? Lord of the Rings. Because I call that Lion King. I call it Lion King. But it's not a
How do you know who that is, man?
He gets serious. Like they get big.
What do you like? Cabevela,
You don't even eat those things.
cabevela,
So she stars one.
don't veke ahine haho cabevela. Então eu fanga toli a o yueta ahine o yue me fanga ilifia.
So we have
Eu beni eu hai bangige. Eu na ima e fo isu ete. Va yo li a tipo no lau gelgelea. Yawe cabevela, cabevela.
okay, can you wake me
Don't
up early?
veke o apo anga haho cabevela.
And I go, oh, for her first.
Don't vai te launga.
You know, you
Que fico e fica, e fica e fala que é meia, toa. Mano, que itonga, vai e coca. Mas eu preciso de moi fanga langalea. Don't veke o
Why would your baby do that?
K-O-L.
No, no.
he just
Não,
he
não
woke
vai
up and thought,
I
and he
am
munched half of it.
type
And then he
in
did
and I C
to put
K
it back in the refrigerator.
Não se taipe.
When he was up, what he
Sevanity.
was doing,
S E M V A N I
when it was time for Grace to go and pack her lunch. Oh no. And you know, her, and he takes a little bit. Oh, she made mac and cheese. Oh, with her heartburn. She woke up extra early just to feed the baby. And I was like, oh, you don't get time for that. She gave up, bro. She gave up. Don't ever. Oh, right, John's like, oh, where am I, man? What's the matter? I'm eating, boo. Still wait, man. As soon as we can hit the 10 months of the puppy.
He's down there. He's down there.
I'll work with you. Come on, honey. Do your thing. Do your crap. Something in him is up. So what is he doing now? Putting his body down. Somebody's listening. Even like from the microwave, even.
Hi Bella.
She read that. I knew you were like, oh, well, I'm gonna pay the drinks.
Was it the $20 for sandpaper?
I'm gonna drink it like, you know, $30 each. And she's like, watching these on the food.
Not the $3 one. Not the $3 one. Have the $50 one.
We didn't expect it. Honor.
kayo. Oh, matetenga. Kakutama tena. Oh, matetenga. Lady.
That way I heard about the ice cream with that man. I did the Shelly, the Crumb. Come on, Brian.
Hold on.
Oh, yeah. Yes. I'm not even gonna use all of that.
And then Marty's like, wait. So young to have a party. I'm like, they did. No one's like, no.
My embarrassing is one flavor. I was like,
Ano ya?
and then
no.
Marty comes and
Kita kita. Iya dong. Oh Martina, lady.
Dan, push it.
This gets bitter and bitter every time. It gets bitter and bitter. I swear.
wow.
Thank you for that.
I'm serious. I didn't do Temple Break.
Okay, I want to push you to him.
Remember that night we went to Jersey's?
Yes.
And then I thought it was the shirt. I was like, oh yeah, I'm gonna have a scout. Put it down. When it's so no one can see me. Ran to the
Ano
front.
man tingin?
Don't touch it because it might put you off him.
Yeah, and
Let me do all that.
the last time I had Tanqueray.
Cole, what's the time, Cole?
It's 7 o'clock.
Huh?
7.
Oh, you went down. Lotto.
Oh, the
What number 14?
Oh, that's right. I told George tonight.
Yeah.
What number have you got? 14.
I forgot my number. I said, what is
That's
it?
I was 14. And I'm here to kill it.
Oh, yeah, check me out. Because I was like, I'm working. Then my Hemi boy walks in and she's like, Hemi boy, what's your number? And I'm like, what are you talking about? And she's like, I totally forgot that I bought tickets.
Yeah, and what's
She
it? Does
doesn't
Days
know.
get? Is Days got a number?
No, but it's like way before. Yeah, into it. And
How come she didn't get a number?
I'm
We found
that's what they want.
Oh, you're
How much is it?
No, you know the songs that I
Days
got.
didn't get one.
I don't know. I haven't
Days
got
get
it.
a
Well,
Yeah.
Well, what's
oh,
her
does
number?
she?
Oh, who?
Days.
My Hemi
Oh, no. I don't know. Ask me.
She's coming anyone because I totally forgot about this raffle. What's about that?
Then Deva and Kona get one.
Yeah.
They get one each.
Nah. I just got, one. Number 14.
I bought
Days didn't get one.
Sandra, my mom's and my sister.
Oh, cool.
Yeah,
Why didn't you just put David's number and get her one?
I had no idea that anyone was small. I was doing this with you, but today all day.
Oh, well, you know, when the next one comes up, man, call me first. And I want number 3. Do we get to pick the number 1? Oh, yeah, I want number 3. I'm fast.
I took the last number, like,
Telephone niya.
I took the last
12.
Fair niya.
I can do 12. On the next one, I'm number 3.
Yeah.
The 3.
Keep that in mind, Cole.
If you have another one, when you say number.
Stay captain. That's right.
What's that? Right now.
What you know about that one? No, what do you know about that one?
For now.
It's not length off. This one's not.
Huh?
I love the return.
What do you know about that one?
Here's my number 3.
What's my number?
Yeah.
No, because I looked at it, I was like, what's the name? I'm like, I'm not sick. Whatever you want to do, she would have said something like, I'm not
When you said number 3, I was like,
I want 6 grand on number 3 on my last one. So bring the number. Bring the number. Bigger than 3. No? Yeah. Cool. The money fund. Are you getting the money fund?
I was like, hey, that shit took the tea. No,
Almost. Oh.
Wow, see, it hasn't even been done. See, I could have done that. Working on.
whoever's around me and I won $50 each.
Well, how much is the army thing?
$2.
Oh, 1, 2, 3. Oh.
Nah, I'm not getting it.
Are you gonna donate it back?
No.
Or what?
I'm just gonna give it to him. I'm gonna give it to Neil. So he's got the first 3. If I won, he's got the first 3 and then. So just pray 33 and 34.
Oh, it was 3 and
I'll grab it. 3 and 4. 3 and 1
Well, I have my dollars on 3. So it must be 3 or 5. 3 and 5 on my hot number. Now I'm gonna lock my number down.
The next one.
If I won, $50. See? Hold on to it.
No, Nicole.
Because I don't.
Just put it in your pocket.
Samson and Delilah. Samson and Delilah.
Hey. Are you angry?
What happened?
You want a drink? Shall I go? Shall I go? You know, I'll drink. Yeah, but what else?
What about this one?
Oh, juice, you want juice? I should have a juice. Cool. Can you just pull up a juice and a little bit of juice? You want a juice? I am.
Yeah.
I am.
You can have much.
Come here.
Over half of that.
Yeah. Come. Come sit next to your auntie. Come here.
Put me some in a little bottle.
Oh, yeah. 50%. 50%.
Fit free.
What
Fit free. This one's
you can't have this one. You want to
Missy.
sit no.
Missy.
She does. You can't have this thing, Kaya.
Sit properly. There. Ding it. There, yeah. I would. Everyone feeling 3, 4. 3, 4. Okay, so we got 14, 33, and 34.
3 is in the number 3 or
Back and then we're going for next door.
Yes.
200 on liquor.
is that one?
Today,
Wait, what are you
There.
doing, Kaya? That's
Because
not
they
good for you.
discounted it. Did you know? Didn't you know? No.
Hello. Hello.
Romeo and Juliet.
Samson and Delilah.
My grandma, you have to scrape grandma.
What's the one? Just click on there.
Not like that one. It's the other one like this one.
Well, I have to do it.
What's that song?
Grandma.
No more parties.
Grandma.
I like that. You know, I don't like it. I love that.
Lobby.
Like, you know, a whole cruise.
I know you
Oh,
know
what's
that
that
song.
song? It's
You got
I
an
love
iPad.
it when. What's that song? I love it. Yes. Hey.
Oh, man.
no. See, you're lucky you got somebody like that.
My friend died.
Liar.
It died.
Liar. What's our big
you're
cousin
right.
again? What's our speaker's name?
Big guy.
Playing your fellas, not
Big guy.
playing Nietzsche. Romeo,
Because you know who our DJ is, out of our crew, eh?
Yep.
Don't remember everybody's songs.
You know, she's got the most gangster
She
songs.
has to remember everybody, and you know when she remembers, I know she loves them.
Yeah.
Like you know,
Yes, that's her.
I'm so dumbfounded, man. And you know, Mike is just as dumbfounded, and so is everyone else. Yeah, I found it. I forgot who's a player guy on
What's our
Missy.
speaker's name, boy?
Taka do something.
JBL. Because I remember his other speaker. I don't know what's in this one. You got a new one.
I found it.
This one. Is that your one? That's it? Romeo and Juliet. Samson and Delilah.
Go ahead, loser. Hey, phone on me, see you.
Can you translate this? Yêu.
Wow, say. What is it? I speak out, Rudy. The other one.
What's wrong with this one?
There she is.
Yeah, because you didn't chill it up.
Start to worry, lift me up when I'm feeling sorry. Building me up with love and affection. When I'm in danger, you're my protection. And I'm the one you can depend upon. I'll always treat you right, never do you wrong. Just feel the love burning inside of me. It's gonna last for eternity. For eternity. For eternity. 'Cause baby, I love you. Ooh. Baby, I need you. Yes, I do. And when I die, I keep on living. You'll always have my love, seeing you through. I'll be your angel up in heaven. Forever all my love will shine on you. 'Cause baby, I love you. Ooh. Baby, I need you. Yes, I do. Are you not someone you can believe in? No one can take away what we're feeling. Our love is strong, it goes on forever. No one will ever love you better. And when I'm gone, I'll still be true to you. The seed of love lives inside of you. I'll be an angel up in heaven, and know my love will shine down on you.
What's Chichi? Cool, Chichi.
Well, bless my soul, what's wrong with me? I'm itching like a man on a fuzzy tree. My friends say I'm acting wild as a bug. I'm in love, I'm all shook up. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Well, my hand is shaking and my knees are weak. I can't seem to stand on my own 2 feet. Who do you think of when you have such luck? I'm in love, I'm all shook up. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Well, please don't ask me what's on my mind. I'm a little mixed up, but I feel fine when I'm near the girl that I love best. My heart beats so it scares me to death when she touches my hand. Oh, what a chill I got. Her lips are like a volcano that's hot. I'm proud to say that she's my buttercup. I'm in love, I'm all shook up. Yeah, yeah, yeah. My tongue gets tied when I try to speak. My inside shake like a leaf on a tree. There's only one cure for this body of mine. That's to have that girl and a love so fine. She touched my hand, what a chill I got. if I can get back to you. So please forgive me, my love. So let passer-bys by, my dear love, love me again. Just give me one more chance and let me make up to you. I've hurt you so many times. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Just give me one more chance. Let me make up to you.